You don't have to be addicted to alcohol to have withdrawal symptoms. Some people drink heavily because they just don't want to feel the withdrawal symptoms. Other people have to drink because if they stop, those withdrawal symptoms are inevitable. Most people, when they stop drinking alcohol, are going to have a little bit of tremors, some anxiety, and some sweating. So they keep drinking so they don't have to experience that. The problem is solving the problem with the problem. We can't continue drinking more alcohol and expect less withdrawals. In this circumstance, that person doesn't have a physical dependency on alcohol yet. But if they continue practicing that exact type of alcoholic behavior, they're preparing their body to handle a physical addiction to alcohol. I was a high-functioning alcoholic and physically addicted, so I drank for a completely different reason. Alcohol was my medicine, because if I stopped, I was at risk of seizure, risk of death, risk of DTs. We don't drink just to curb withdrawal symptoms. We drink to act sober. Just because you have withdrawal symptoms doesn't mean you're addicted to alcohol, but that does mean your body is using alcohol as a fuel source. So practicing drinking more water is actually prioritizing your health over the illusion of peace.